Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to automatically have your computer sign in after either a restart or a Windows update is performed. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings. Best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the left side, you want to select accounts. And now on the right side, you want to select the Sign In Options tile. So first thing you want to do is actually scroll down on this page, and where it says Use my sign-in info to automatically finish setting up after an update, make sure it's toggled to the on position. So once you toggle that to the on position, hopefully you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.